Hi friends, welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 102 points that is 0.13% and settled at 80,905 points. Nifty 50 is up by 71 points that is 0.29% and settled at 24,770 points. Bank Nifty is down by 117 points that is 0.23% and settled at 50,685 points. Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index is up by 196 points that is 0.34% and settled at 58,444 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 227 points that is 1.21% and settled at 19,067 points. RateGain Travel Technologies Limited, a leading provider of AI-powered SaaS solutions for travel and hospitality, today announced that it was selected by Thai International Public Company Limited, Thai Airways, the national flag carrier of Thailand and a proud member of the Star Alliance network for a multi-year partnership with RateGain's dedicated platform for airlines, AirGain. This collaboration is driven by Thai Airways' focus on redefining pricing strategies across its comprehensive network, encompassing a wide array of domestic and international routes facilitated by its Star Alliance membership. With this positive news, stocks surged up in today's session at 10:30 a.m. Larsen and Toubro had on 14 August 2023 filed a writ petition in the Bombay High Court against the show cause notice issued by the Principal Commissioner of GST and Service Tax, Mumbai towards service tax demand of 2,237 crore rupees on an erstwhile subsidiary in respect of tax already paid by the company with respect to certain transactions undertaken post demerger, L&T said in an exchange filing. Following this, the company received the High Court's order on 19 August, allowing the writ petition filed by the company and has quashed and set aside the show cause notice issued by the GST authorities, the filing added. The transportation infrastructure vertical of L&T has secured an order for integrated infrastructure development project in town planning schemes 227 under the Navi Mumbai Airport Influence Notified Area project in Maharashtra. The project has been awarded by City and Industrial Development Corporation Limited for integrated infrastructure development of 60 and 45 wide roads, construction of various major and minor structures and allied electrical works. The order value is 2,500 to 5,000 crore rupees. With these two positive news, stock reacted positively in today's session. Honsa Consumer has secured a favorable court ruling against RSM General Trading. The Delhi High Court has instructed RSM General Trading LLC to revoke its execution proceedings in Dubai against Honsa Consumer. These proceedings were associated with a lawsuit RSM General Trading had filed, accusing Honsa of unlawfully terminating its distributorship. The court has further ordered RSM to deposit 57.17 crore rupees, equivalent to the damages claimed, with the Delhi High Court's registry. Hindustan Zinc Limited, India's largest and the world's second largest integrated zinc producer, has signed a Memorandum of Understanding (MoU) with Jawaharlal Nehru Centre for Advanced Scientific Research, GenCASR, a premier institute sponsored by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Tata Motors, India's largest commercial vehicle manufacturer, today announced that it is collaborating with Delta Electronics India and Thunder Plus Solutions PVT Ltd to expand charging infrastructure for its electric commercial vehicles by setting up 250 new fast charging stations across the country. Strategically located in and around over 50 cities, including Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, and Kochi among others, these new charging stations will significantly increase the existing network of 540 commercial vehicle charging points. ABB has surpassed the 10 gigawatts milestone in delivering its automation solution for renewable energy replants in India, a company release said. Starting with a 100 megawatts project about 7 years ago, ABB has strengthened its footprint in the renewable energy industry with this milestone, which is a result of over 300 renewable energy projects across India utilizing ABB's IoT based PLC solution. In a significant stride towards reinforcing India's maritime defense capabilities, BEML Limited, a leader in defense and heavy engineering manufacturing, has entered into a strategic partnership with the Indian Navy. The Memorandum of Understanding was officially signed today, 21st August 2024, at the Naval Headquarters in New Delhi, marking a crucial step forward for the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. This agreement represents a pivotal move towards achieving self reliance in defense manufacturing. It focuses on the indigenous design, development, manufacture, testing, and product support of critical marine equipment and systems, thereby reducing dependence on foreign imports. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.